How to make a game pass in Roblox. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a game pass in Roblox. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to create.roblox.com and you will be redirected to the creator hub of Roblox. So what you're going to do is simply, click on any experience. So I'm going to click on this experience over here. And once you do so, over here at the left side, you're going to search for the option of passes. So here is passes. So simply click on passes. And here you got to scroll down, click on create a pass. So once you do so, you can simply, see this is the picture by default. You can click on change and add any image that you want. Give it a name. For example, I'm going to write something like Reb Pass. And next, you got to give description, which is not mandatory, and then click on create pass. So simply wait for the pass to get completed, and now you can see that the pass has been created. Now, if you wish to, simply sell this pass, so you're going to click on Reb Pass, that is the name of my pass. So once you click on your pass, you'll be redirected to the basic settings. So over here at the left side, you're going to click on sales, and here you're going to toggle this button on that says item for sale and set a price. So I've set this price. You will get 70% of the price and the rest 30% will be sent to the Roblox account. So then you're going to click on save changes and then you're going to click on proceed. And once you do so, that is how you can create and sell a pass on Roblox. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.